Hey everyone, are you ready to add some heat and flavor to your weeknight dinner? Then you need to try this Bang Bang shrimp recipe. To begin, let's make the Bang Bang sauce. In a small mixing bowl, add 3 tablespoons of sriracha sauce, followed by 3 tablespoons of Thai sweet chili sauce, and half a cup of real mayo. Then mix to combine. You may keep the sauce in the fridge until needed. Now, we need half a cup of buttermilk. However, if you don't have buttermilk, let's make buttermilk. Use half a cup of regular milk, add half a tablespoon of vinegar to the milk, and that will turn it into buttermilk. Yay! Then add half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and about half a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper or to taste. Then whisk to combine. Whisk, whisk, whisk. We are using 1 pound of jumbo shrimp, peeled, deveined, and tails removed. Marinate the shrimp in the buttermilk mixture. Give it a quick toss to ensure that they are all evenly coated. Now, in a large skillet or Dutch oven over medium-high heat, add enough canola oil to fry them in about 2 inches of oil. Bring the temperature of the oil to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Meanwhile, in a shallow dish, add 3/4 of a cup of cornstarch. After letting the shrimp sit in the marinade for a few minutes, remove and coat in the cornstarch one by one. Remove any excess cornstarch and transfer to a plate. Repeat the same steps with the rest of the shrimp. And once the oil is at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, transfer into the hot oil. Cook the shrimp for about 3 minutes or until golden brown and crispy. Oh, and one more thing. Fry them in batches as to not overcrowd the pan. Go ahead and flip them over halfway through the cooking process. Once cooked and golden brown and crispy, transfer onto a plate lined with paper towels. Now transfer the cooked shrimp into a large mixing bowl, then coat them with half of the Bang Bang sauce. Using a spatula, toss until evenly coated. You may serve the Bang Bang shrimp as an appetizer or even make tacos. To make Bang Bang shrimp tacos, heat up a few corn tortillas. And to assemble the Bang Bang shrimp tacos, add a few slices of purple cabbage. Place a couple of Bang Bang shrimp over the cabbage. Some diced tomatoes. Drizzle some more of the Bang Bang sauce. And you may garnish with fresh cilantro. I am pretty sure that now you are ready to eat. Ooh. So what are you waiting for? Get the ingredients ready and give this recipe a try tonight. I promise you will not be disappointed. There you guys have it, Bang Bang shrimp. Enjoy! Buen provecho! Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye!
Yeah.